58 down to 33, 68, 58. The patterns were absolutely perfect today. Then you got the big buy reversals on the SQQQs, the SDSs. Gold got absolutely caboosed. We caught it gold short. Most people were out down 6, 8, 9, 10, and it just won another 20. Unbelievable. Denny, good to see you, brother. How are you?
Good to see you too. I'm great. We did have technical difficulties. YouTube was taking forever to start stream, but we are live now.
They didn't hear any of that?
No, they didn't.
Oh my God. All right, I got to start again. I wish somebody would have told me that. I didn't
know until I started reading the chat, and I'm like, wait, why are we not live? And then I had the spinning cycle of death going on. I'm like, what is going on right now?
Well, welcome everybody. I got to do it all over again. All I know is it was Christmas in November. I hope everybody had a good day. Hello, Daddy. You gotta go sit down. Come on, go sit over here. Come on, go sit. My dog got all excited. Come on, sit. Go sleep. Stay. It was an unbelievable day today. We saw the index futures, the big ETFs, great patterns at 820, 10 to 9, 920 in the pre-market, great shorts on the NASDAQ S&P, ding, 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 945 after the market opened. We got the big sell reversals on the on the Qs, on the Spiders, Diamonds, and Russell. The Qs were already negative from yesterday. Then the 10 o'clock, the 30 minutes reverse to sell. I gave these numbers in my podcast last night. Then at 10:30, the whole world got cabooshed. The 60 minutes reverse to sell. And what you do is you short every rally. The first bounce at 10:20, I'll show you this. This was an unbelievable pattern on the 5-minute time frame. The bounce at 10:20, unbelievable pattern. And then you got the 60 minutes reversing to sell, the bounces on the 5, the big bounce on the 15. Even there was a magnificent short at 4:30 on the S&Ps when the 15s got overbought. They dropped 17. NASDAQ, I think, dropped close to about 80. So great day overall. Unbelievable. Hope everybody had a great day in gold, S&P, NASDAQ futures. It was unbelievable. Unbelievable day. All right. So got to speak with Bull Barbie today. Thank you for bringing. She came over last night and brought a lot of her subscribers, and hopefully we're going to be working together. She sounded like a wonderful, great person, and hopefully Denny will do some great things together. Today I did a podcast down in Miami. I wanted to kill myself. The drive down there was unbelievable. Did a really great podcast with Riz from the Words of Rizdom. So that should be airing hopefully in the next couple of weeks. And anybody new here tonight, this is a great opportunity here for everybody. If the gold gets up to the 92, 97, 98 area, I'd look to take a scalp short up there. Had a little bit of a buy divergence here. Anyway, Denny, great day. I told everybody that these 15-minute time frames were setting up at 12:30, between 12 and 2. Oh, look at the gold drop. Jesus, just drop. The volatility is here, man. You cannot not love this volatility. I mean, gold literally just dropped $5 like that. I mean, we missed it. I would cancel the short in gold. Between gold, index futures, S&P and NASDAQ futures, all I can say is the patterns were phenomenal today. People were blowing up my phones, showing me what they made for the day. People who learned from me, being part of this great community. Again, kudos, okay, to MyFundedFutures. One of the best, if not the best, prop firms out here. They care about you. They've given away over 700, okay, free 50K or scale accounts. You can't ignore that, okay? I don't know what prop firm does that. I've given away close to 500 free trials. I love it. People who are new, who are learning the methodology, who are learning about divergences, who are learning about multiple time frames, who are learning about patterns. Guess what? Or scalp trading, it's all good. I'm blessed every single day. I meet so many new people from around the world, and all I really care about is your success for each and every day. All right. Denny, what do you think here today? I think they're going to get cabooshed tomorrow. I think we're going to get a bounce tomorrow, and they caboosh them in the afternoon. What do you think?
You think it's going to happen on NASDAQ, or you think it's going to happen on gold?
Both. Yeah.
I mean,
I'm
I
looking
would love to see a huge climb on NASDAQ, preferably back to at least the daily, the high yesterday, which was 25,489, before we kaboosh again. I would love to see it go all the way up there first. Will it? I have no idea, but I'm hoping so.
I think tomorrow, especially after the 30 and 60-minute time frames reversed, I want to show you a really great pattern today, Denny. I got to show this to you. So today, when they were getting kabooshed here, I want to show you a magnificent buy divergence here. So again, you can see here's the new low at 3 o'clock right here. Now, you tell me if that 5-minute MACD made a new low. Absolutely not. And I pick up these, but so this is a buy divergence in a negative trend. So when the S&Ps and NASDAQ futures were making new lows, the MACDs on the 5-minute did not. Immediately, they rallied right here on the Qs. They rallied from, well, I'll go to NASDAQ here. Let's just put up the NASDAQ. A lot easier for people. If I could type, that would be good. Let's see here. And Q here. So right here. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Where is this? 3 o'clock. It was right here. Look at this. Look at this. So the NASDAQ got down to 02 level, right? Trades right up to 74. Back down, makes a higher low. Positive MACD and never looks back. Boom. Look at that. 130 points. So these buy divergences or sell divergence for that matter. Again, I always short these NASDAQ. If this gold gets up to 92.5 to 98.5, 97.5, I'd look to short it. But these buy divergences are very powerful. And then you may say, well, you know, we picked these up a lot during the day. Big sell divergences, big buy divergences. This was a great short this morning here, if I can remember. Look at this. We caught this beautiful bear flag at 8:55. Then we caught this one here at 95 here. This 02 right here. Look at this one. Beautiful, 9:35. And then this one right here that we were calling shorts 90 up to like 20. The high is 96. Monster bear flag. We actually caught this long, kicked it out here. They dropped, waited for a little bit more. The S&Ps traded up to 50. I couldn't believe the S&Ps were trading 68.50. And then they got absolutely slaughtered. Look at this, 95. Look at this, 49, 496. Look at this, down to almost 300 points there. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. You got to be kidding me. Unbelievable day. Unbelievable.
Yeah, NASDAQ actually went crazy today on dropping.
Oh, yeah. Let's see here. All right, NASDAQ just got up to the 38 level, just dropped 15. I was S&Ps just went up to 72. You're still negative on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames here. Gold, I'd cancel the buy range, okay? The short range. How is everybody? How is everybody? How many giveaways tonight, Denny? What are you doing tonight?
We'll go back to doing 15. We ended up doing what, 35 yesterday? So
30 and then 5 people who posted, right?
Yep. So we went 35 yesterday. We'll do 10 spin the wheel and 5 people who share the stream, and then next week we might try and up it a little bit more.
Got it.
Might
How many people had a great look at this gold drop 5 just now? How many people had a great day today? Really? I really tell you, I'm not saying this. I thought today was a monster day. Bitcoin had a monster day today. The IBITs. Look at this gold down 6. How many people honestly had a great day? And how many people, you guys should be joining me every day in my stream. It's $4.50 a day for Lord God Almighty. It's less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. And I know because my daughter goes there. Okay. So I'm just telling each and every you, have my first 10K day. Look at that. Harrison, 1821. God bless you. Raphael Trades, congratulations. You won yesterday. Right? Hi, boo-boo. Hi, Daddy. Daddy loves you. Okay. Today is the last day for what? Today is the last day for what? I have a stupid job and couldn't trade. Okay. I was giving away. Haha. No, but today you blew your account, Betty. Betty, you got to come join me. You got a bone. What are you grabbing another bone for? You're killing me. My dog knows where all his bones are. Can you believe it? My dog knows where all his bones are. Well, you know, that's a shame because it was a great day today, I thought. Um, a really great day. The patterns here were unbelievable. The scalp trades were unbelievable. So, Betty, if you want to come join me every day, if you want a 5-day free trial, let me know, okay? Just text me. Well, Aaron's going to post it here tonight, okay? You're making too much noise. Making too much noise with the bone, okay? I'm streaming, all right? Anyway, so... Anyway, it's good to be here tonight. Oh my God, this gold just dropped 7. Okay, so really great day here. So many, you know, my phone's been blowing up, Denny, because people are thanking me and saying, you know, Steve, if it wasn't for you, I would have never traded gold. I'm like, okay, well, you're welcome, but get in there and trade it and do well, you know. But gold is a phenomenal asset to trade. I've been trading gold for 20 plus years. And you know, the one thing I will tell you, okay, is, you know, stick to the same rules. The methodology applies, right? And just be able to be in a position to trade the markets in a way that will give you the best, you know. One guy yesterday, I told you I didn't agree with him, but I can't tell people what to do. And that is, he was trading S&P and gold, S&P and NASDAQ futures at the same time. I don't know anybody who does that. I just think you stick to one index. I mean, you do whatever you want, one index and one commodity. It could be S&P's gold. It could be S&P oil or S&P gold and oil. To trade up, to level up on and double up on 2 indexes, I don't know. That's just a little foolish for me. Okay. And you got to fill the coolers and you got to go singles and doubles. Exactly. Look at this gold down 8. Unbelievable. All right. So the stream started late. I thought you would have heard me on the gold short here at 92. The high here was 92.30. I don't know if anybody got that. Good luck if you did. Hello, everybody, but not advised. Agreed. I think, you know what? Why not just trade one index, right? Why trade 2? Right? NASDAQ trades up to the 40 level. I probably look to short this 40 up to like 65. S&Ps trade up to the 72, 77 range. I look to short them there. All I know is Christmas in November today. Unbelievable day. Gold, S&P, NASDAQ, Microsoft. Great patterns here. Unbelievable patterns. Look at these bear flags. I mean, these bear flags were just absolutely insane. Look at this Microsoft bear flag. Boom. 504.91, kaboosh, down almost $3. Here's another one. Again, the algorithm reversing to sell on the 15. Look at when the algorithm reversed on the 60. The strategy is after the algorithm reverses to sell on the 60, right here, you can see the time frame. Oh, if I can click on it, it's 3:30. What do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame, and that's right there. Boom. 504 and change, kaboosh, almost down $2.50. All right, gold dropped. S&Ps and NASDAQ, I would cancel the short ranges. So anyway, with that being said, I just want everybody to say, anybody have any questions here? Jets versus Pats. Jets are going to lose. Okay, Jets are the most jinxed team. What's the Epstein dump? What happened? I heard about this. What's going on with this Epstein dump? Anybody can tell me? I saw it just. What's going on with this Epstein stuff? Anybody know? I don't even know what's going on. Solomon Moss, you never got the link for the free trial. Please text me again, 914-500-7484. Aaron told me he sent it. Okay. Aaron told me he sent it. So if you want to, Aaron, can you look into Solomon Moss getting the free trial? I know he sent it.
Steven, he sent it already. I've already posted it like 8,000 times in chat.
No, but Aaron has to permission them on my
Okay.
end. Yeah. Look at the images for the trades today. What are your signals, wins, and testimonials channel, right? Look at the images and the trades today, your signals and wins. And okay, I'll look at it later. Okay, can't do it now. All right. Wow. Smash the like button. Absolutely. Come on. We got to get in there. Okay, Solomon, please. I'm a man of my word. Aaron, can you please take care of Solomon? If you could text me, Solomon, 914-500-7484. Go Jets. Johnny, are you crazy? First time here, I trade RSI diversions, pretty similar to what you're doing with the MACD better than RSI. My opinion, my algorithm is very powerful. And I don't use MACDs. I don't look at RSIs. I have my own oscillator. So look at this gold, just get kabooshed here. Good job. Justin Fields to pass 500 tonight. Yeah, right. Okay, so it's a combination of methodology. It's just not using a MACD and RSI or overbought, oversold oscillators. It's not. I'm just letting you know. So I wish you well, but that's not how I look at the market. Okay. All right, Solomon, I truly apologize for that, for the 5-day free trial. If you could text me now, I can get this out of the way. 914-500-7484. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So gold just got. How do you see the SPX for tomorrow? Bella Yang. I don't look at the SPX. I look at the S&P futures. Regards from Finland. Hey, there you go. Yeah. Have a good night. Okay. Wow, that was quick. Let's see here. Good night. Another one saying good night. Thanks for your response. Wasn't criticizing, just was curious. No, I'm not saying you were criticizing. I'm just saying I just don't look at the market. There's more to look at the market just in MACD and an RSI. And I don't use an RSI. I use my own overbought, oversold oscillator. And I have my own indicator 4, which is my algorithm. Stephen, when does the Santa rally start? How do you know we're going to even get one? We may just get kabooshed into the end of the year. We've already rallied 2,100 points since April. What's my macro view? I don't look at macro or fundamentals. I look at technicals. Gold got kabooshed. Yep, gold got kabooshed, but gold's still above. I mean, gold rallied, almost 250 points in the last week. So Santa is in the Epstein files. Okay. You just texted me, Solomon. Okay. Let me just get this over to Aaron right away, please. Let me just make sure I got this. Okay. Solomon Moss. There you go. I'll text it to Aaron. Again, I truly apologize, Solomon. Okay. Might have just slipped through the cracks. We get so much to do during any given day. I'm sure Aaron will give you a 5-day free trial here as well. Here's another one here looking for the trial. Jason, no problem. Okay. Also here, let's see here. NASDAQ, if this NASDAQ pushes up to the 40 to 70 range, I'd look to take a short. S&Ps, if they push up to the 73, 78 range, I will look to short. Gold just got kabooshed here by 9. Okay, so we got to look at the gold market here. Let's see, I'm just sending these to Aaron right now. All right, good. Boom. All right, so kaboosh Friday or kaboom. I think we're gonna get tomorrow. I think we're gonna could potentially be up on a day small. I think they rally, work off the oversold condition off the 30 and 60, and then they get kabooshed. Okay. All right. So you don't evaluate what you do and see the market over a long time. I do. I look at the market long term. Of course I do. Beautiful day fiber. Of course I do. If you look here on the S&P futures, let's look at the bigger time frames here. You can see the daily. We're about to take that out. Beautiful. Look at this. What a bear. I was calling this bear flag. Here you're pushing up, overbought into the negative MACD. All right. NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover 25.35 if you got 40. S&Ps, if you're short at 2 3/4. What was the high in the S&Ps here? Might have just touched it. Let me see what the high was on the 5-minute here. If you saw the S&Ps at 73, just look to cover 71 here or lower. NASDAQ just dropped 10 here. So again, if you look at the S&Ps on the bigger time frame, you can see the daily big sell reversal 67.27. So we're heading lower here. So any push up tomorrow, this is going to be a problem here, right here. Oh my God! Look at the NASDAQ drop 14. Who caught the NASDAQ short? Hey, whistleblower made 12K today. All right. Again, anybody new here today? Okay. Looking forward to a free trial. And did you text me? Okay. Did you guys got a text? Aaron, I don't know where Aaron is tonight. I don't know what Aaron's doing. But there's the link there for SK Trading right there. Please sign up for the link. Okay, it's a free. Betty, you did? Okay, is that you just texted me, Betty? Jason, nope, I didn't get anything, so whatever. Here's the for the weekly here. See them touching that movie, but again, here's a big number. You take out the 6433, we're going right down to 6,000, then maybe to 5,800, and then you buy the world. Made 150. So, oh my God, look at the NASDAQ, kabooshed. Look at gold new lows. S&P is down 5. There you go. There you go. Okay. What's my number? 914-500-7484. NASDAQ, anybody, oh my God. Can we not be on any channel without idiots talking about stuff about Trump and clueless? I agree. Cindy, 100%. Kabooshed. Where's the gameplay? You got to put an ED on the end of it. Epic, whoever. Eric, please put an ED on kabooshed. Please don't ruin the word. Okay. All right. Okay. How can I sign up for your free trial? It's above. Please. The link is right there. SK Trading link, please. Okay. Aaron, is there a way to post it in MyFundedFutures, Denny, as well? Kabooshed. Candles, no candles. Beautiful. Do you think we get a bounce tomorrow? Yes, I do. I prayed for your foot. Oh, thank you, because it healed. Thank you. Thank you. Gold just dropped 15. Hi there. Do you have a signal for gold? I had one. I was calling shorts off right here, but it was right when we were on and YouTube was off. So I don't know if I said to short the gold here. Off of the, look at this weekly. Oh my God, this gold might turn up here. Oof, what was the low here on the gold? Jesus, 3,900. All right. This was the 5 minute. That's the 4 minute, but this is the 5 minute on gold. If you want to take a scalp long on gold, look to buy gold here anywhere between the 71 and 79 range on gold, or you can go. What was the low here? So you could probably go 71.5, 79.5 on gold for a long. I saw a giveaway is still happening this week. Yes, 15 tonight. Okay, 16 tonight. All right, 16 tonight. Is Hendrick's last name Kabuski? No, it's Kalayjian. Right, Daddy? Are you? I love you. Daddy loves you. He's eating his bone. Okay. Anybody get the short on the S&Ps or NASDAQ futures? Gold just rallied 3. Okay, off the buy divergence here. You got the buy divergence here off the 5, off the 15. The 30 is negative. Oof, this is not good. Okay. I saw this. This is why I was calling the short at 92 here. Okay. Let's just see here. The 60s. Still net. Oh, what a bear flag. Oh, my God almighty. Gold. All right. Gold, I cancel the buy range. Next push up, we can look to short them. Gold's negative on the 30 and 60. How are you guys today? How are you guys? How is everybody here? How's everybody here tonight? All right. Anybody get that short on the S&P or NASDAQ? Scalping is going to be great. Oh, scalping is great. I love it. Rockstar. How are you, Rockstar? Nobody took that short in NASDAQ or S&P? Oh, boy. All right. Look at the gold drop. NASDAQ. Arton, you get that short, Arton? Sniper? I didn't get anything. Just text me now, 914-500-7484. I didn't get anything. I didn't get anything from Sniper. No, you missed it? Okay. Oh, my God. This got a cabooshin. All right. Aaron has a... I don't know. I don't know what to do with this. Aaron, I don't know what to do with this, so I'll give it to Denny. I don't know if you could post it. Okay. All right. S&P's just dropped 7. NASDAQ just dropped over 40.
Steven, who keeps asking that?
What? This link?
Yeah, who keeps asking for that
Everybody.
link?
I don't know what they want. They're crazy.
It's already pinned in the chat. Okay, for everybody that's watching the stream, if you keep asking for Steven's link, okay, his link to join it to get 5 days free, it is pinned up top. All you have to do is look up top in the chat. It's pinned. I'll even send it a couple more times right here.
Thank you. I know you guys are killing me here. It's not that hard. Not that hard. Wow, look at this oil.
It is pinned. Now the giveaway for the free accounts is not up yet. I'm not going to post it yet. It's the white bar. It's the white bar up top on the chat.
If you want to take a scalp long on gold, you can look to go 70 to 77.
I'm not posting the giveaway account yet.
You got one already. What are you doing? You could take a long on this gold, 70 to 77, scalp long. What are you doing? Hey, get out of there. Here. All right, go eat. All right. I'm going to take a scalp. Anybody trade this oil? This oil is just shot right up here. Oof. If you, again, look at this gold. Just trade out of it. Up one. Here we go. Look at the bouncing gold. 15s. Gold just rallied 3-4 just now. There you go. What a no, Hendricks. Come on. No more. All right, go. Over there. Come on, go. All right. S&P's just rallied 3. NASDAQ just bounced to 17. Anybody get the gold long here? You took that what, Spence? No, go back. Stop acting like a gabon. Get back. Come on. I'm streaming. Come on. Get over there. Come on. Over here. Come on. Sit. Come on. Sit. 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 I love you. I love you too. Okay? All right. Anybody get the gold long? Took the gold long, $5. Good job, Shusha. Get back. Yeah. You got a bone. Now you want that one. All right. Okie dokie, Smoky. Look at the gold. Oh my God. Beautiful. 5 on the gold. You know, if you want to take a scalp, anybody trade oil here? I think this oil might drop here. I think this oil is a short here. Oil gets up to the 04 to like 12. I short this oil. And this oil is way overextended. 66, 65 from the 10 bar. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Just dropped 10 cents already. Jesus. Look at that. Actually, oil's got to be bought on any pullback here. Anybody trade oil at all? Kaboom, what, on the gold? You're welcome, Baba. Yes, long gold. Gold long at 77. Solomon Moss. There you go. 430 seconds. Absolutely in 30 seconds, Jeffrey. What are you thinking about NASDAQ today? I think it was unbelievable patterns, long and or short. I think it was great. Stephen, bro, I send again a message. Sniper, I don't remember seeing it here. Who was it under here? Hold on. Let me see. I don't know. Hold on. I'm losing my mind. Let me see. Sniper, where are you? Okay, right back down the gold. I think this oil should drop here. You're too far from the... Okay. I got you, MJ. I don't have Sniper, though. There goes the S&Ps right there. There goes the oil up to 14. If this oil, look to cover this oil anywhere from the 03 or the 07 here. If anybody's short the oil here. All right. I love the British. No, I'm not actually, ATN, I'm not actually trading tonight, though. I'm exhausted. Look at the oil drop. Oil just dropped 14. What a great short. Anybody short the oil? Look at this oil. Oh, my God. Look at this oil drop. Anybody short oil? Anybody short that oil? Gold long? Oh, my God. Oil just dropped almost 18 cents. Good job, Jeff. Oh, my God almighty. What a short. Oy. Let's see here. If this gold gets down again one more time, I probably look to buy it between the 69.5 and 76.5 range, just for a scalp long only. You see the negative MACDs here on the gold. I was hoping on this push up just now. It got up to 83. I thought it was going to go a little higher to 87.88. 76.5 on this gold. You should get one more push up here. Okay. Now remember, there goes the gold. Anybody get the gold long again? Oh my God, S&Ps, NASDAQ, right back up. All right. That gold loves these scalps on gold, Don, right? I agree. Can we short NASDAQ? If NASDAQ gets up to probably like the 50 to 75, I would. I'm looking to go down to Jupiter to take a look at condos. Hey, give me a call. Maybe you can hang out. Wow, the NASDAQ just dropped 20. Jesus, what was the high? 48? Wow, what a short. Anybody get that long on the gold? Oh my God, this market's flying. What did the NASDAQ just get up to? Arton, you get that short up there? 49. We would have missed it anyway. Jesus. Look at the 60-minute MACDs. You can't, where's the market going to go with these 60-minute MACDs like this? Market's not going to go anywhere. You got the short MEP? I want a short what? 47.20? Look at the gold go. Now it's with the oil. If this oil gets up to the 13 to 21 range, I'll look to short the oil up there if it gets up there. All right. All right, this gold, what does this gold get up to just now? Look at this oil. Where's this oil right now? 16 on the oil. This gold, wow, unbelievable. S&P's just dropped. NASDAQ, I said 50, the high is 49. Unbelievable. How can I get a free trial? The link is above there, okay? Let's see here. Again, yesterday, I want to thank Bo Barbie works with MyFundedFutures, and thank you. She came over last night, brought a lot of her viewers over. Had a nice talk with her today. She's really looking to really expand the horizon of day trading here. So, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe we can do a split show here, you know, together one night. She's been with MyFundedFutures for a while here. Again, I would keep shorting this oil here, 13 to 21, 23 range. Okay, we got to get the pullback's got to be bought here on this oil. I gotta short this here. Let's see here. S&P's just dropped 5. Oh my God, unbelievable.
NASDAQ just dropped, was it 12? CL is the symbol for oil.
This oil's got to be shorted. It's going against me here, but this thing, I got to put this thing up. All right, this thing here. This oil should drop hard here.
NASDAQ is ranging in this area.
Got to get this oil to drop here, Jeff. Oof. This oil should drop down to the, what the hell's going on here? The market, absolutely. Here we go. Come on. Drop oil. Gold was, here we go. Look at this oil drop. Cover this oil 13 to 20 range. Look at this gold. Look at this gold drop. Damn it. Can't even type fast enough. Hendricks, you're making a big sound here. 86. Look at the oil drop, Jeff. There you go. Bam! Kabooshed! I said stay with it. Unbelievable. Got down to 13. Good job, Jeff.
Remember, I know nothing about hedge funds.
Whew.
I think your best bet would be asking Steven.
What happened?
They're asking about hedge funds. She said,
what's
after using prop firms, how can we be trading big for funds? I mean, hedge funds or big society. How can we be there? What's the path? How to proof them our skill and get recruited? Any idea?
Yeah, you have to have about a 3-year track record. Minimum. I mean, you go to places like First New York. If you know somebody, maybe they'll look 6 to 8 months, 9 months, a year track record. You know, Schoenfeld, Schottenfeld. Listen to my dog drink. You hear this dog? Listen to this moose. Maybe firms like Schottenfeld. Maybe firms like Schottenfeld. I know Rick very well. This oil gets up to the 32, 45 range, 46. I shorted it again. Wow, that was great. Let's see. A track record, where to register your trade. No, a track record, like a proven track record. Show people what you started your account with, what you've done, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Right. And, you know, and prove to them. It doesn't make a difference. It's a funded account, an eval account, anything. Just show them. Everybody's always looking for talent, right? Denny, right?
Right.
Oh, Daddy loves you.
I'm gonna be honest. MyFundedFutures did not reach out to me for my trading, by the way. They reached out to me because of my skills when it comes to computers.
Right. So everybody has a skill set, right? So if you have a skill set, they're not going to take it for the 3-month track record. Okay. They're not gonna take you for a 3-month track record. I had years of a track record. Then I got recruited by AIG. I got report. Hey, get out of there. Stop. How many bones do you want? Go back. Come on. You're driving me crazy. Come on. Go back. Come on. Daddy loves you. Get over here. Go sleep. He slept too much. So that's the problem. You know, AIG offered me a boatload of money. Big funds offered me money. You know, I just prefer to work by myself, to be honest with you. I didn't really want that, you know. I didn't really want that, to be honest with you. No, he stopped 5 hours there. That's why he's getting rambunctious here like this.
Thanks, ICT.
Gold popping, yeah. That's off the 15-minute time frame on the gold. You see the gold here? Look at the gold. Right here. The gold right here. Okay. So, Denny, how long has Bull Barbie been with MyFundedFutures?
Since the beginning. She's been with us since May.
Yeah, that was really nice that she came over last night and brought a lot of her followers. We went from 400 to 780, or like bam, boom, like that. It was great, and to cover a new audience like that, really great. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Had a nice, quick conversation with her, and I thought maybe we could potentially, you know, come on the show together one night, teach her some stuff, and you know, she's just getting into the day trading aspect. She does more, I think she said more swing type trades. But you're long silver. Hey, Candace, how are you, Candace? Let's look at the silver here for Candace. If I can look. Candace, that was a nice long off the 15, Candace. Right there, you see that? The positive MACD, the oversold condition. You see that? Wow. Candace loves her silver. Identical same pattern on the gold, by the way. Look at this oil. Keeps pushing up. I keep scaling the short here on this oil. This oil now is getting way overextended. Here, you can see the oil here. Great job, Candace, on the oil. If you look here, you can see the moving average 60, right? So the algorithm, okay, Jeff and everybody who's trading oil, Solomon, you see this? The algorithm is higher than the 10-bar moving average. So I think oil is going to get kabooshed here, okay? I think oil is going to get kabooshed here, okay? 31 up to, what were we, 32 up to 45, 46, something like that. I'd still be scaling in here. So you're right now, you're about a little over 42 cents above the. So that means that basically if you pull in here, the algorithm is going to reverse negative first before it touches the 10-bar moving average here. So let's just see. All right, great long on the gold off the 15-minute buy reversal. Remember, you're in a sell disconnect. The 30 and 60s are in sell mode, okay?
Steven, someone said, what do we think about NQ right now?
NQ right now. Okay, so NQ right now. Okay, so here it is in a nutshell on NQ. If you look at NQ, you're in negative here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Here's a 30, here's a 15, here's a 30. But here's the one thing though. If NASDAQ, here's a 60-minute, you're a negative trend here, negative. Here's the problem with the NASDAQ. If these 60-minute time frames roll over like this, oh my God, this NASDAQ's going to get kabooshed. One big kabooshin. Okay? One big kabooshin. Where's Monday's POC for close? All right. Okay. If this NASDAQ, okay, starts rolling over right here, okay, and I think the NASDAQ. Now the only thing that's going to help the NASDAQ here, stop it, go back, okay, is the 30-minute time frame. The MACD is a positive here. So if you do get a push down here, the 30-minute MACD should be short-lived, is my saying, is what I think. So because the MACDs are okay, so if you see here, the MACDs are positive here, okay, and I think that you get the push down here. If these 60s reverse down, I think it's going to be short-lived because these MACDs are going to act as a springboard on the 30-minute time frame. So that's what I think right there. Let's see if this. Again, I would stay with this oil if you're short. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute. Hey, stop acting like a nut. Stop pushing me. Okay, I'd be scaling into this short in oil here. All right. Come on, stop. You slept too much. Get over there. Come on, go back. Come on,
You gotta love dogs.
I do love my dog. Forget it. Oh my God, this oil's up 20. I'd be staying short this oil here. All right. I'll be adding to this short and oil. This oil should drop to 31, 38 range. Come on. Oh, my God. You're making me crazy here. I'll be adding. All right. There goes the gold pushing up here. Gold futures. Gold just went from 77. Out of here.
Let's see. Oh, there's my dog barking now. Snowy, be quiet. It might be on a zigzag. NQ is basically doing the same thing, just going up and down, but staying in a certain range.
Do you know how to change the symbol for this thing?
On that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there on top, just hit the.
Put up the oil. This oil is going to drop 15 to 20 cents.
It's MCL, right?
Yeah, just give me oil quick. Just that CL.
Yeah,
Is it?
it is on there. Oh, it's this one right here, right?
Yeah, give me that.
It's frozen. Okay.
Where is
no,
it?
It didn't change.
That it?
Yeah.
Let me have it. Where is it? I gotta short this piece of shit.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
All right. Come on, you got to drop to 44.45. I agree. I don't know why it's going up either. Oil pumping. Oil should drop here. Put some bids here.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the hell's going on? This oil right now is staggering. All right, gold pushing up here. Gold up now on the day. If you want to take a scalp short on the gold here, 96 and a half to the 0102 range. This oil's got to drop. Let's go.
Steven, we
Yeah.
good to do some giveaways at 9:15?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Chat, you got 5 minutes left. 4 minutes left. I'm sorry. 4 minutes left to sign up. I will be closing the form in 4 minutes.
Filled. Order filled.
Oh my God, this oil is a disaster. I got to get this short 7 contracts up here. If you're short the gold here, look at this oil. This is bullshit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Come on, drop, you bastard.
Order filled.
Here we go. Look at it drop. Drop, man, you die. 31 to 30, 31 to 30, 46. I covered a short. Die. Here we go. Look at this oil. Die. Oh my God, I just got to cover it. Boom.
Order filled.
Wow. There we go. Whew. God, look at this oil. I said to stay with it. Damn it. Sorry about that. But I knew to stay with it. Oh, my God. Right. 30 cents. Oh, my Lord. Gold just dropped 4. Whew. Denny, you got to trade the oil when it gets like that. Anybody short the gold?
Steve, I used to trade oil, and then, I don't know, I found NASDAQ, and it's like I found my home.
No, NASDAQ's great, but I mean, I'm telling you, when oil gets going, I'm telling you, it's a beast. Oh, my God.
Okay, if you're not able to trade gold on your MFFU account, it's because you have to go to your billing section, go to where it says, or click the little button that says Dagger subscription, and just click all of them. And then you'll be able to trade gold. Smash the like. Share the stream.
Oh, my God. Look at this oil. Is this sick? 40 cents. I was shorting oil on the highs. You see that? You did? Covered at 48 and 46 and 42 and 41, but oh my God. Oh my God almighty. Look at, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going live this Sunday, yes, from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock on YouTube. Anybody get to short the gold up there? When you got to go oil, you can't. Sometimes, look at the gold just dropped $5, Denny. You see that gold? Where's the bear, Denny, on the oil? Oil just dropped 42 cents. Right. Thank you. Oh, my God almighty, that oil.
That was a great drop. It was a great drop from oil.
I know, but it went outside my range, but I said, stay with it. I didn't care. I know that pattern. Look at this, 486. I don't think we ever did an oil trade in the 3 months we're here.
No. Okay, so quick reminder.
Switch me over. Look at the gold drop. I had Josh Aru switch me over. I don't know how to change the symbol on Tradeovate. I was just clicking away. I was short 7 big ones up there. I mean,
okay, if you're trying to trade gold, you have to go to your billing section of MyFundedFutures accounts, click on the Dagger subscription button that's in the billing tab, and then click on all of the Dagger subscriptions, and then you'll be able to trade gold.
Now, all I want to know, seriously, and I'm not saying this though, but what other prop firm would have this for free to give you guys this type of, whether it's oil, which we've never really done an oil trade, gold, S&P index futures. This is why it's free. And look what and seriously, look what MyFundedFutures does here. They're giving away over 700 prop accounts. I've given away, I think, over 500. Okay, look at this. Paul up 980, 1,600 on gold. Johnny, there you go, Johnny. Jeff, that's a great job. Brings 486. We never did an oil trade in my life. Now, I knew that pattern. I should have went long, actually, but you got to wait for a decent pullback here on the oil. When the oil got down to, I think oil got down to 16. Did it just now? Should have been bought down there. When did oil get down to? 19. 19 ran 10. All right. So oil getting oversold. If this oil drops again, we're going to have to look to buy it. Gold. I probably, if the gold gets up to the 96.80 level, to the 0280 maybe, because the 15s are getting oversold here. 15s are still turning up. Wow, that's a caboose. You're talking right now an overnight 2,000 contracts traded. Are you crazy, Denny? You never see 2,000 contracts in oil trade in an overnight session, Denny. You know that? Never. What is oil symbol? Forget it. It's over the trade. Wow. Jesus. What did gold just get up to just now? Wow. Unbelievable. Thank you for changing the symbol for me.
Sure.
I can't even type. Look at this, like such an idiot. If you short the gold at 96.80, just look to cover below 95. Any push down is going to make a higher low here if you shorted it. You think the Nasdaq's going to push up 700 points? Whatever you're on, send me a case, please. Okay, we might be going to Venezuela. Oh, he hates that guy. You bought the aircraft carrier Ford there? Ooh, he ain't messing around. That's our largest. What about gold? I said just take a short, 96.80 to 0280, got up to 90. If you short it, great. If not, I'd cancel it. Ooh, he ain't messing around, Papa Trump. Look at this oil. You're still 40 cents from the 10-bar moving average. Remember I told you, based upon the algorithm being higher than the moving average? Come on, type, you idiot. You see this here? You see how the algorithm reversed to sell before it touched the moving average? I knew that oil was going to drop. That's something I'll teach you guys. Oh my God Almighty. Okay, if this oil gets down to the 90 to 10, oh my God, still. You see, I told you when the algorithm was higher than the moving average, and right, Jeff? Remember I told you that? I told you Papa Trump don't mess around. All right, so you're still 38 cents. So if this oil gets down to the 90 to 08 level, oh my God, it's going to turn up. If this oil gets down to the 95 to 15 level, I'd probably look to buy the oil here. These 5s are getting oversold into the positive MACD here. So again, do you understand what I did there? The algorithm was higher than where the 10-bar moving average is, right? So you're up by about 45, 48 cents. So I told you, based upon the algorithm being higher, that the algorithm would reverse negative first before it touches the 10-bar moving average, and we got cabooshed off that. I'm telling you, it works like a charm. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see if this oil just trade down to what, 12? Let's see if this thing could push up. This thing's going to go to 08, maybe lower. Wow, 50-cent drop in oil on an overnight. Ooh-wee. Anybody short that gold at 96.80? Anybody? Come in Manila. I should have waited on this oil to go to 08 first. Good job, Blaze. 400. So 40 cents on this oil. Let's see here. 10 bid at 11. 09 bid. I told you it was going to go to 08. Let's see. You could probably, if it gets there, 90 to 10. I went 95 to 15. If you could sell this at 15 up to 20, I'd be looking to scale out of longs. Here we go, 15. The 5s are going to turn up. You should get a nice, decent push up here, though, but you can sell 15 to 20 if you like. Anybody short the gold at 90? Gold trade up to 90. You lost $12 on what? On gold? Blaze, great job. You sure to go the lower? Oh, okay. All right. Stop. What are you doing, you nut? You're digging into a pillow. What's wrong with you? What's the matter with you? Are you crazy? Up 800 and I'm done. Good night, Dom. Good job. I told you, look at this gold or oil. Come on. This oil's got to turn up. All right. Very quiet here. Index futures are, there goes the oil. Look to sell this oil anywhere between the 11 and 19 range, 11 and 17 range. These fives should turn up here. Now you got the MACDs are positive here still. I told you this gold was going to go to 08. Long since 41.78. Gold, good job. Good job. Gold is not a buy, right? Nope, not now it ain't. The 15s, you're in sell mode on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Okay? Who trades ICT here? You're in the wrong channel, my friend. Okay? All right, look at this gold. Oh, my, this oil. 63. Look at this. Should have waited on this. This should get another push up. These fives are getting oversold here. 02. Oh, my God. Of course, another extreme. Denny, you doing any giveaways now, Denny?
Yeah, I'm getting it all set up, Steve. I'm going to do it at 9:20. I got to finish getting all these names put into the list.
The guy who bought oil at 63, he jumped.
That was 319 people that signed up.
That's pretty good. Oh my God.
Give me to like 9:20 and then we'll do 5 names and then we'll do another 5 at we'll do 7 names and then we'll do 8 names at 9:45.
My dog? Oh, he's a good boy. He's a really good boy. Oh my God. Arthur's the guy who traded ICT. Look at this oil. Come on. Now here's the bull flag. It's got to hold here. It's got to hold here.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Oh man.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh, this oil is getting cabooshed. If you're getting stopped out, I would probably look to buy it again here.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I think this oil is going to turn up from here. Candles for birthdays. Looking at 59, I think it's going up from here. How am I long here? Who keeps blowing up my phone? This oil should turn up. Unbelievable. Oil's down 80 cents off the high.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, this oil's got to go up. Jeff, you okay in this oil? This oil should go up to this oil should go up to 05 again. Stop something on the oil? I don't know. I'll see. Was that your phone or
Yeah,
mine?
it's my phone.
You're killing me. I keep looking at my phone. Don't turn that freaking thing off, please.
Order filled.
Here goes the oil. Come on. Get to 05. 05 to 10. Watch. What account's getting cabooshed? The greats. There goes the oil. All right. Cancel these. This oil's going right back up. On the bull flag. When these fives turn up. This oil should get up to the even to at least 10 level. S&P's pushing up 96 oil. Come on. Give me 14 more cents. 10 to 14 more cents. Gold still a short. If gold gets up to the 97.80 to 03.80, yes. How do you enter for the giveaways, Denny? They're asking. Can you believe it? Gold setting up for an epic short. Well, the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still negative. If you didn't, I would still, if you're still long the oil, I look to kick this out between 98 and like 10 level, 10 to 12 level. Gold's taking what? 200? Gold's taking a long time here. Denny, did you 920 you said, Denny? Okay. Oh, come on. Give me a push up to 05. I think the NASDAQ heads up tomorrow. I think the NASDAQ heads up tomorrow, but then I think in the afternoon they could kaboosh based upon the 30 and 60-minute time. If they go 0.60, come on. There you go. All right, come on. You think, well, we'll go to 59. Well, here's 60. Let it go to 05.10 first, but then it can go wherever the hell it wants. The next pattern on oil is going to be the buy on the 15-minute time frame. Just hit 60. Yeah, at 60.01. Come on. There you go. Come on. Get up to 04, 08. I'd be very happy. Just rallied nicely. Positive MACDs there again. Your long gold from 82.
I got all the names finally in here.
Oh, okay.
All right. So you ready?
Okay, let's do it. How many doing? 5?
I'm doing 7 right now, and then 8 at 9:45. So 15 in total. So it'll be 10 on the wheel, and then 5 people who shared.
We're gonna do 10 right now?
Yeah, no, I'm doing 7 right now.
Oh.
Zilha. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Hey, there you are. I'm not going to lie. I did not think this was a real name. Can you please tell me how you pronounce that?
Exactly.
Water fasting results. That sounds deadly.
If you're short the gold here, I look to cover gold between 95.5 to 97 on the gold if you're short.
Water fasting results. Are you here? There he is.
There goes the gold dropping. Andrew, take care. Andrew, have a great night. Freaking gold just dropped 8. Oil just dropped 8. It shouldn't be delayed by Denny. They're saying a 2-minute delay here on YouTube.
No. Q Mendez. YouTube always has a delay though. No matter what you do, it's going to have a delay. How big of a delay? I don't know. Q Mendez, congrats.
Anybody short the gold, lower your stops on the gold short. Can you believe this oil 60.63? Unbelievable.
Melvin. Melvin, are you here? Yeah, Marzinga says they only have about a 20-second delay. Melvin, where are you?
Oh, Melvin's here. He's saying he's here.
I see you, Melvin. I see you.
Anybody short the gold? Gold just dropped like almost $3 there. I don't know anything about changing symbols on Trade of 8.
Little baby Jesus.
You hit the top tab where?
The top tab where it says the symbol.
Yeah.
You just hit that and it'll change it.
Little baby Jesus. There you are. Dang, we moved kind of quick tonight with these. All right. So we're going to do we'll do 3 of the 5 people right now. So we're going to have Bear Trader 64. Bear Trader 64, are you here? There he is. All right, we're going to have Trend Genius. Trend Genius. I think that's how you say your name. Trend Genius, are you here?
Come on, gold. Come on, oil. There you go. There you go, Jeff. There you go. 05 to 10, 12 maybe. There you go. Now when these 5s get overbought,
Hey,
now
Trend
because the
Genius.
15s are rolling over here on oil. Oh my God Almighty! Look at this oil. Thank God, right back up.
All right, and then last but not least, we're going to go with
Finished food? No, just text me.
Alfie 95. Alfie 95, are you here?
Oh my God! Look at this oil right back up. Jesus, 14, 15. You got to be flat now. Forget it. I knew it was going to bounce off that 5-minute right into the 10 bar. Oh my God, 77.
Hey, all right. Hey, we will be back at 9:45 for more giveaways.
Sorry about that, Denny. Oh my
Hey,
God,
man.
you see this freaking oil just ran 40 cents off the low. Oof. How many you do, Denny? You did 7 and you did 3.
I did 8 right now. So we'll do
8.
7 at 9:45.
Oof. Now this oil just ran from 77 up to 14, pulled in again extreme, and the 15s should roll over here. So any push up into the negative MACD with the 15s rolling over, well, it should probably be shorted, believe it or not. 14 was just a high here. And again, Denny posted in the link in here if you want a free trial, okay, to SK Trading. But if you have to, look at this oil drop 10. I knew it was a short. Again, if you're part of, if you won before, or you cannot win again on a free trial. And don't start being fugazi and changing emails and all this. Your phone number, cell phone number, email, and your name are in there.
Nice T. I'm always doing that.
We're
Whenever I
checking-
disappear, that's what I'm making sure of. Thankfully, tonight, I have not found any.
What happened? You got 2 bones out. Look at you. This oil is getting overbought here. Let's. I mean, the oil. Let's switch it back to the gold here. I'm done with oil. I was long 7 big ones down there below 85. What the freak, Steven? Come on, dude. I'm hitting the freaking right. Got fat fingers today. Look at the gold. Here we go. Here we go. Let me see the 30s. Boom. 30s about to reverse the buy here. What's the 60s? 60. I would short this gold here. 0280 up to 0880 for a scalp short micros. These 60s here, gotta be careful. Even if you get the algorithm reversing the buy, the 60s are getting overbought here. I would take a scalp short. Good job, whoever is long the oil or the gold. You got the GLDs. GLDs don't trade now. Love this live. 5 minute. Again, you're $11 from the 10 bar. Look at the 60. You're making new highs here. What a hit. 2.5, of course. ES long? No. I don't see any longs in the index futures. All right, gold. All right. Wow, look at the oil. Look at the gold drop. Anybody new here? If anybody wants a free trial, please, from MyFundedFutures. Denny posted the link in there. Also, the link is in the I did the podcast today, Words of Wisdom. Great guy, Riz, I have to say. Great. Got to talk to Bull Barbie today, part of MyFundedFutures. Hopefully, maybe she'll do a segment here with us one night from Texas. Seems like a very, very, I like more like 12 seconds. I know Aaron got it down, Michael. Aaron got it down. Jeff W., have a great night. God bless you. Okay. Candace, you still long the silver? Candace? Let's see what Candace is doing. Oh, we're not going. We're not going. Fix your ear. Come. Fix your ear. He fixes his ear. Fix your ear. Your ear's all flopped over. I think he likes he likes Joshua. All right, oil, gold. All right. Well, now you got them all whacked up.
Yeah.
Good night, Jeff. All right. Listen, gold. Look to cover gold anywhere. Even a half to 02 here. It's getting late. What time is it? 9:25 here. All right. Let's see if this gold can drop. Look at the 60-minute time frame. It's getting overbought here. He's what?
Extremely.
Hey, go to bed. 03 on the gold. Okay, Daddy loves you too. Okay. Come on, let me short some. How do I put the gold back up here? I go here.
Right there. Yeah. No. There. No. Next. The actual words. Right there.
Yeah?
Top down.
What's gold? MEZ? No.
MCG or the MGC is for the
Right here?
Yeah.
No, this one here.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's up?
Stop. Good night, Brinks. Cover this oil gold here between the 02 and 0380. 02, 0380. Here we go. Oh, God. Jesus. This gold's 11 from the 10 bar. But 15 minutes. The guy who sold gold below 77, he jumped. He jumped. TikTok is banned in my country. Why? Hendrik's having a hell of a time. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. You hear him drinking? It's like a horse. And then he, okay, just sprayed me.
Yeah.
He just sprayed me and Josh. Okay, what happened, boo boo? Daddy loves you. We were all a mess, huh? Daddy loves you, right? Daddy loves you so much. Cover this gold here, 02, 0380. I'll be covering shorts. There you go. There you go. There you go, off the 60-minute time frames. Nice little scalp short on gold. Stop. Here, I'll give you one last thing here. Okay? This is not right. This is what happens when he sleeps all day. Look at that gold, cabooshed on the gold. Anybody get the short on the gold here? There you go. Oh, short, no 4s, no 5s. Thoughts on S&P? None. I don't see anything. 0. JL, how are you, JL? Denny, how you doing tonight, Denny? I forgot to ask you.
No, I'm good. I'm up almost $1,000 on each account, so $3,000 for the night. Currently, I'm still in an NQ trade that I've been holding since 6 p.m. So.
Oh, took a fine time to leave me, Lucille.
No, Safe. I have some losing days. I had a losing day last week. I usually risk anywhere from 500 to 1,000 per trade. Well, whenever I do the Asia strat that I have, I do that. But during New York, I'm only risking like $300 to $400.
That's it?
Yeah, I'm not risking much during New York session. It's just because it's a lot more volatile during that time.
This gold gets up to the
hands.
0680 to 1380, 1280. I look to short it. The 60s are getting way overbought here into this negative MACD here. Short some of this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm short. Depends on the trades.
Order filled.
Oh, boom. Jesus.
Order
you think
filled.
Oh, cover this gold below 06.5 if you're short. Jesus.
I'm probably going to be holding this all the way throughout the night.
Oh, my God. Look at this gold. I just shorted 07s. Oh, my God. Just got caboose. Lower your stops on the gold if you're short. Oh, my Lord. Is that fast? Love this game. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You get the short?
Yeah.
Damn, you see how fast that was? I was clicking away. I saw 06, 07, 06, 0680s, 06 and 40s, and 06 and a half, 07 and a halves. Jesus. Unbelievable. You can't ignore the 60-minute time frame right here. Look at this. The 60-minute time frame right here. That's a cabooshin.
Gold climbed a lot tonight.
The what?
I said gold has climbed a lot tonight since.
Well, it's up almost 30 off the, well, 30 was off the low. 70, well, 77, 76, 80 was the low. So right here, if you see the gold, this was the buy off the oversold condition and the buy reversal into the positive MACD. Look at this, new highs again.
Since 8:30, it's absolutely
If this
climbed.
gold gets up to the 0780 to 1380, I would look to short it here. Scale in. The 15-minute Martin, you see that, Martin, right here? That's what I was calling the long on, off the buy divergence there.
$30, 87.9707. Yeah. Dang, it's gone up about $30 in the last hour.
Well, since 8:35.
Yeah.
Gold hit the 07.5. I think gold's going to roll over here.
No,
These
it's
60
always been like that, ICT.
Look at these 60s right here, 15s and the 60s. These 60s, even if they reverse, you're making new high. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. Just dropped to, I was at 0780, highs 07.5. I heard from Luke today.
That's good. What did he say?
No, he's just really just he just told me how, oh my God, he just told me how busy he is and how things are going at MyFundedFutures. He's doing great. You guys are doing great. I'm really proud of you guys.
I've heard that the company's doing pretty good.
Forget oil now. Oil, you're done. Look at this. Look at this gold. Just dropped 3. Anybody short the gold? Lower your stops. You lowered it. My dad went moose hunting. They're saying there's a big delay. This is hard to keep up with. How is this hard to keep up with?
The delay has to be on their end because it's not on
But
ours.
this guy, he's saying this is hard to keep up with. I don't understand what that means. Okay. I wish you all the best. What are your thoughts on gamma levels from options? I don't look at that. No more, Hendricks. Stop. No more for you. No, go sit. I don't see oils trading 66. Oh my God, look at this. No, I have real-time data in oil. Anybody short the gold? Just down 4 off the highs. Oil is trading 13 in real time. I don't see 09. Stop it. Get over there. Sit down. Sit. Enough. Sit. Please. Sit. I'm going to leave you home from now on. Stay. Stay. Oh my God. Gold just got kabooshed. NASDAQ about to drop. NASDAQ just dropped 7. Whew. You got 5 runners left. What's that? Lee? Hey, Lee, how are you? Good job. Out of the gold. Anybody short the gold? Michael Lenz, great job. I see oil trading at 16, Bill. I don't know what you're telling 09 for. Oh my God, what a short off the 60-minute time frame. Well, he slept. Oh my God, oil. The guy who sold 77s, he jumped. No, you're not going to get. All right, here, take the bone. Okay, and don't drive me crazy. Here, go sit over there and be a good boy. Yes, Daddy loves you. Okay. Can you believe they're going to kill this dog? I saved this dog 25 minutes before he was going to be put down. Can you believe it? I took a month to get him into a shelter. I got him into a shelter right away, and then 16 days to get him. 14-7 pats at halftime. Look at Lee. Lee's up 500 already. Good job, Lee. Look at this gold, this oil, 77 all the way up to 27, Jeff. 50 cents. Oof. 23. Yes, 50 cents. Hey, Martin, how are you, Martin? Anybody short the gold? If you want to take a scalp, geez, I can't do it. If you want to take a scalp short on this oil, it's getting late. 27 up to like probably, I don't know, 45 or something. It's not going to get it now. It just dropped. Got the 15 and the 60s rolling over here. Up 400 on Mike Rose. Thank you. Danny, Dan, is that you talking gold, Danny, or oil? Nicholas Sal, there you are, brother. Brother, how are you? You got the gold short, Michael Lenz. Good job. Oil just dropped 11. Jesus. All right. What time are you going to do the other 8, Denny, or 7?
We can do them right now if you want, Steven.
Why don't we wait 5 more minutes, 6 more minutes?
All right.
You short the gold up there?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Good, good. I haven't seen an oil trade like that in a while. 1, 2, 3 oil trades and 1 long here. That was a nail biter. Hey, Bob Barker, how are you? Come on down. Lee, how are you, Lee? Good job, Lee. Tronex, I'm not leaving Hendricks home. You know that. I'm not leaving Hendricks home. All right. Thanks for changing up the symbol for the oil.
Yeah.
I think I was trading big ones on the oil. I was short like 7 big ones and long 7 big ones, I think. Fiber Space God, thank you. God bless you. Got get kicked out of all my positions. Oh, there goes the oil. Oil just got kabooshed.
Yeah, kicked
I
out
canceled the oil. What's he saying? He got kicked out. Forgot to put me on the list. I want to win, huh? What is this? I got kicked out of all my positions due to drawdown settings. What does that mean? What?
It's hyper right now.
Well, you just knocked me out of the way. You want to be on camera? Is that what you want to be? Huh? You want to be? Say hello, everybody. Say hello to everybody. He just knocked me over, this dog. NASDAQ pushing up here. No, he's hungry. I don't believe this dog.
Need to break above 151. Oh, there he is. 151 and then it rejects.
Hey, get out of there. This NASDAQ gets up to the 50 to 75 level, 55 to 80 level. I look to short it. The 15s are and the 30s are. See if you get one more. Look at this oil drop. No more oil. Too late. Too late to enter. I agree. Too late to enter. We'll put the gold up. SK, your system went foul. Don't you ever come close to your drawdown? Or no, I'm pretty disciplined. I'm pretty disciplined. Can we enter now? No, you can't enter now. He may need to pee. He peed he peed on the way in and he pees on the way out. That's it. NASDAQ, did it hit the 50 level on the NASDAQ? NQ. 50. If you sold NASDAQ, I'd just down 10, I would cover. If not, I would cancel. Anybody short? Long. I'm shorting NASDAQ. Well, who said long, Johnny? I just said I'd short it. Oh my God, the Trader Cafe. I got some good news to hopefully come next week. He pees anywhere he wants.
Steven, am I going to be able to come to the Traders Cafe?
You are going to be there as a grand, high, exalted Mr. Gruler. You will be staying at my place, and when I build, oh my God, this is going to be something state of the art. Oh my, OMG. One of my investors said, if you have alcohol, I am not investing. I said, okay, no alcohol. Okay, stop. Look at the NASDAQ drop. Oh my God.
Almost 20 points. Literally came right back up, tested 151, and rejected off of it.
I guess he's blowing himself now. I gotta hide these things. Oh my God. NASDAQ just dropped 14. Gold making new highs. Forget about it. Forget about it. Can you imagine one of my investors said to me, if you have alcohol, I am not going to invest. I'm like, okay, no alcohol. I said, Jesus drank wine. I don't want to hear it. Okay. How about wine and beer? I said, nope. Did you short the S&Ps intraday? Oh my God. Well, I was in the morning, yes, but then I left to go do the podcast. And nothing but, there were buys. Listen, in any type of market, you'll have buys and sells, right? I told you my 5 conditions: a trend, a buy reversal, sell reversal, correlation and disconnect. You can have a buy and a sell divergence. So 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and 10 strategies, period. Jeff, you said oil go right up to 27.
Running man, I see you.
What happened?
No, giveaway time.
Oh, giveaway. Sorry. All right. This was a fun week, though. I hope everybody learned. If anybody new, please, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial with me, please don't. It's free. Okay.
27 Gossi 31.
Oh, yeah, there's plenty of local bars on West Palm. Forget it.
How far is West Palm from you, Steven?
What's that?
How far is West Palm from you?
About 25 minutes.
Oh, nice.
You want me to pet Hendrix? He's eating his bone right now.
27
Piggies in the blankets.
Gossi.
I think piggies in the blankets are good. I think piggies. Hawk Trader, come on, visit me, Hawk Trader. I'm in Jupiter, Florida, good buddy.
I saw you.
And again, I want to say, would you buy NASDAQ or S&P? No. The 15s are about to roll over, Sev. No. So the investor says to me, how about instead of your liquor, we do a juice bar? Go, John.
Learned trading.
Who is this person?
Mm-hmm.
Never heard of this person. Where's Artan tonight? Artan, my cousin, my brother from another mother. Where are you? Oil just dropped 17 right into that negative MACD, Jeff. You see that? Sell diversions. Where's Artan? I would not buy NASDAQ. I think they're going to get kabooshed. Oh, learn trading. There you go. Congrats.
Ringeth V5. Ringeth V5.
Yeah. Speakeasy. Simple room.
If you'll tag, he will seal it better. Rocky Mountain, I think you need to go to sleep.
Look at this. Unbelievable. Come on. Oh, somebody's here.
I got him. And Robert Lopez.
Hey, Robert Lopez. Where's my pen? Did he eat my pen? Oh, it's right there. Gold
If your
making
name-
new highs here.
I was about to say, there it is. Everybody that's saying here, if it doesn't match your YouTube name, you're not winning. It literally says on the form it has to match your name on YouTube. 8752. All right, and then 2 random people. All right, we're gonna go with Happy Kids. Happy Kids, are you here? Happy Kids, I see you. And then we're gonna go with Emmanuel Carlio Romez.
I would short this gold up here one more time. I know it's getting. Hold on. Let me just. This gold off the. If this gold gets up to the. Oh my God. 09 up to 0880 up to the 1480. I would short this gold again.
Emmanuel Carlio Ramos, are you here? I'm sorry. There you go.
Shakiest job in the world. Just, oh my God. It's the most jinxed organization in the world. I told Joe Namath that about a year ago. I said, Joe, suit up. Say it ain't so, Joe. He started laughing. I go, suit up, Joe. He goes, I'm 75 or 80, whatever he told me. That team is never going to win in my lifetime. How's Luke doing? I texted him today. He's doing good. Very busy, though.
He's always busy. He's a very busy man.
Right?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Boom. That's the way you do it. Boom. Oof.
You trade on minis or micros, Steven?
Right now I'm just trading micro gold. Cover this gold below 1080 if you're short.
What are you saying whoa about? Oh, I see it. It broke above.
How do I claim the account? They're asking.
You said what?
Someone's asking how to claim the account.
You
Gold
don't have
is
to claim the
golden?
account.
I think gold's got to be shorted.
Yeah,
60
you'll
minutes.
receive an email stating that you won. You don't have to worry about it.
Why do you have nightmares? Order filled, order filled. What do you want? A different sound? You got to hear. You got to hear what my stock one does.
Who said they have
Booyah!
nightmares about it?
Huh?
I said, who said that they have nightmares?
Right here. Taveen J777.
Hey, Son of Wall Street, I don't agree with that at all because I paper traded for a very long time and I learned from it.
What's he saying?
He's saying, bro, it's for noobs. You'll never learn from paper trading. That's not true.
Oh my God, that's so untrue. No, that's so untrue. There's got to be a process to the progress.
I still paper trade to this day if I'm testing out a new strategy.
It's not even the point, though. You know how many people I've come across who've traded on the chart for, oh my God, look at the NASDAQ drop again, 50. Oh my God. Now S&Ps dropped 3. Oh, I missed that short. What did S&Ps get up to? The NASDAQ. Jesus, Lord. I think that NASDAQ got up to 60. 59. Just dropped. Oh, my God. 18. So any push up on these now, you got bear flag. Oh, my God. 20 on the NASDAQ. You short the NASDAQ?
No, I'm gonna go.
Also, just for everybody who's talking about paper trading is a perfect way to get the itch off of trading once you've already made your money on your funded accounts or evals.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Boom. That's how you do it. Just trade it, Wally, in and out. Just cover. I said, look to cover below 1080. How far are we riding gold? I think gold's going down to 0880 if you want. Look at this NASDAQ drop. Just dropped 20. Jesus. Nope. You should not pay yourself for paper trading. There's got to be a way you practice. So today get back. See, he got too much sleep. Stop it. Stop it now. Okay? I love you, but stop it. Okay? So you got to be able to learn. Like so many people I've come across don't even know how to trade the market. They trade the market on the chart. I like the DOM. Okay? Lower your stops on the gold, Wally. If you get back. Come on, Hendricks. Get over there. Come on, get back. Okay. A lot of people don't know how to trade the markets. Oh my God, S&P, NASDAQ just dropped 20. Okay. So basically, a lot of people have to realize that when you're trading the markets, you want to be able to understand that there is a process. Look, 0880. Okay, Wally? There you go. You should be covering shorts on the gold. Again, the 60-minute time frame. Anybody get that short on gold? Martin? So basically what you want to be able to understand is that when I say there's a process, okay, there's a process to the progress, is that there are people who don't even know how to execute an order on the DOM, okay? People execute on the chart. Silver dumping, so is gold, okay? All right. So basically the 30-minute time frame is reversed. So any pullback here on the 5-minute would go long, but we're going to be signing off here in 4 minutes. NASDAQ just dropped, wow, Jesus, 25. I was looking at the gold. Again, you're pushing up there. And this, again, on the NASDAQ futures, the 60-minute time frame, you're making new highs here. Look at the negative MACDs here. There's no way this is going to last. Good job, Wally. Great job. Okay. Michael Lenz, you got it again. Stop it. Get over here. I know. I love you too. Stop it. Stop it. Sit. Sit. I'm not bringing you anymore. Sit. Sit down. Okay. Well, that's why you got to, go wide. But I was confident on that one. I'm sorry that went a little wider than expected, but great job. And if you're new, Phil Vibe, if you want to check me out for a 5-day free trial, there's a link there, okay? There's a link there. All right, there's a link. Well, it was a great week. I thought it was a great week, Denny. What do you think?
I did too.
Thank you again. Oh, my God. Look at this freaking 30 points on the freaking NASDAQ. Jesus. Freaking push up into the negative MACDs here. You see this? Look at this. The push up into the negative MACDs on the 60. All right. S&Ps just dropped about 4. Oil off that sell divergence just went from 27 down to 03. Who's that? Who just made that money? Who's that just now? Is that Jeff? Great job, Jeffrey. Great job. All right. I want to thank MyFundedFutures again for another great week. Thank you to Luke. Thank you for everybody that is I just want to say I want to just thank MyFundedFutures. Really, to be honest with you, this is a great, great time. I love the 2 hours here. And I thank Denny for taking time from his family to be here and creating the sound effects. And, you know, the only thing we got to work on is the bull sound effect, right? That's the only one I think we got to. Somebody said it sounded like a cow giving birth yesterday. So, but we'll get it. We'll get it. If anybody has any questions or anything, you can text me at 914-500-7484. If you like to watch my podcast, which I think is really super important, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, it's on my SK Trading YouTube. Again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for another great week. Denny, it's always a pleasure, my brother. I can't wait to see you here. Denny, you coming to Florida in December, you said?
I am. I'm coming to Florida in December.
What part?
Orlando area.
Are you gonna be here on the weekend or during the week?
I think we're gonna be there for a whole week.
So I'll come drive to Orlando. I'll meet you. We'll have dinner.
All right. Hey, that sounds good to me.
Only 2 hours from me.
Might have to meet up halfway then. I don't want to make you drive the whole way.
No, 2 hours, nothing for me. Look at this oil drop 30 cents, Jeff. Look at the gold going to get cabooshed here. I'll tell you, you know, as a trader, you want volatility, right? That's what you're getting, and enjoy it. Look, Fishful, again, anybody new? There's a link here on top for the 5-day free trial, only for people who are new, okay? I'm in Orlando. Yep. Denny, text me the dates, and I'll make a plan to come out and on a Saturday to have lunch or dinner with you and your family. It's on me. Okay. All right. Marzena 77, thank you so much. What's your call for tomorrow in the markets? I think we push up and then we get cabooshed. Gold dumping, I would lower your stops. All right, it's 10 o'clock. I say it's over. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. Denny, thank you. I'll talk to you later. Thank you again, everybody. We really got to get the numbers up here. Last night, we had about almost between mine and MyFundedFutures, we had about 850. We'd like to get this to 1,000 to 2,000 people. I mean, come on. I mean, you know, this is where you're going to learn. If you want to take trading seriously, this is the place, okay? All right. Thank you for Oil, who gave us a couple of great trades today. One at the end got a little deeper than expected, but it worked out. But again, you got to go kind of wide, especially in oil on the overnights. But overall, thank you, Denny. Thank you, my brother. God bless Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Artan, for helping me out today, my brother. And thank you to all of you. Have a great, great Friday. Expect volatility, I think, up, and then they get cabooshed in the afternoon off the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Have a great evening, everybody. Have a great, great day trading tomorrow and a fantastic weekend. I'll see you here Monday night. Thank you, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.